Hello! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the menu. And here you should see the option called strength. Tap on it, and here we can select one of three options: none, soft, and strong. Select the one you like, and then tap on the OK to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.